Ever wondered how some companies consistently stay at the top of their game? What's their secret? Well, the answer lies in the power of innovation. It's the driving force behind their success, the magic ingredient that sets them apart. In the world of business, innovation is not just about inventing the next big thing, it's about constantly evolving, adapting, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In today's fast-paced world, businesses can't afford to stand still. The pace of change is relentless. Technology advances at lightning speed, market trends shift overnight, and customer expectations are continually evolving. In this landscape, the only way to stay ahead is to innovate. Innovation is the lifeblood of any successful business. It's the ability to see the world differently, to challenge the status quo, to question, to experiment, to dream. It's about fostering an environment that encourages creativity and out-of-the-box thinking. It's about creating a culture where every voice is heard, where every idea is valued, where failure is seen not as a setback, but as a stepping stone to success. Take a look at the world's most successful companies, and you'll see that they're not just innovating, they're living and breathing innovation. They're continuously looking for ways to improve, to grow, to redefine their industries. They're not afraid to take risks, to try new things, to fail. Because they understand that in the world of business, the greatest risk is not in trying and failing, but in failing to try. But innovation doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's a collective effort, a journey that requires everyone's participation. It's about creating a culture where people are encouraged to think differently, to challenge the norm, to be bold, to be curious. It's about embracing diversity of thought, nurturing creativity, and fostering an environment where everyone feels empowered to contribute. Innovation is more than just a buzzword. It's a mindset, a way of life. It's the key to unlocking limitless potential and driving sustainable growth. It's the secret weapon that allows businesses to not only survive in the competitive landscape, but to thrive. Innovation isn't an option, it's a necessity for survival and growth in the modern business landscape. Take a look at Google, a tech giant that started as a simple search engine. In the late 90s, two Stanford University students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, embarked on a mission to organize the world's information, making it universally accessible and useful. Their creation, Google, was a search engine that used a unique algorithm to rank web pages, an innovation that propelled it ahead of the competition. But Google didn't stop there. The magic of Google lies in its insatiable appetite for constant innovation. Over the years, it has evolved from a search engine to a multifaceted technology leader, making significant strides in industries like cloud computing, digital advertising, software development, and even self-driving cars. A key ingredient to Google's innovative prowess is its unique culture, one that places a strong emphasis on creativity and autonomy. It's a culture where employees are not just allowed, but encouraged to dream, to imagine, to create. It's a culture that values moonshot thinking, the idea of aiming for breakthroughs that could change the world, rather than incremental improvements. One of the most fascinating manifestations of this culture is Google's 20% time policy. This policy allows employees to dedicate 20% of their time to personal projects, unrelated to their primary job responsibilities. It's a policy that fosters a spirit of exploration and creativity, giving birth to some of Google's most successful products like Gmail, Google News, and even AdSense. But Google's innovative spirit isn't confined to product development. It extends to its approach towards business strategy too. The company isn't afraid to make bold moves, to venture into uncharted territories, to take risks. This audacious approach has helped Google to continually reinvent itself, to stay ahead of the curve, to remain a leader in an ever-evolving technology landscape. Google's success is a testament to the transformative power of innovation. It's a shining example of how fostering a culture of creativity and autonomy can lead to groundbreaking solutions, disruptive products, and ultimately, phenomenal business success. Or consider 3M, a company that's been synonymous with innovation for over a century. Delving into the annals of business success, 3M emerges as a beacon of ingenuity. This is a company that has not only embraced innovation but has woven it into the very fabric of its corporate culture. From the invention of the world-renowned Post-it notes to the ubiquitous Scotch tape, 3M's impressive portfolio is a testament to the power of creative thinking and relentless experimentation. But how does a company consistently churn out products that become household names? The secret sauce, if you will, lies in 3M's innovative 15% rule. This rule, quite simply, gives engineers the freedom to dedicate 15% of their working hours to pursue projects of their own interest. It's not just a rule, it's a company-wide philosophy, a commitment to fostering an environment that encourages exploration and creativity. Imagine the luxury of having the time and the freedom to dream, to experiment, to fail, and to learn. This is where ideas are born, where they're nurtured, and where they grow into inventions that revolutionize our everyday lives. It's no coincidence that the humble Post-it note, an indispensable item in offices and homes around the globe, was born from this very rule. The 15% rule is more than just an allowance. It's a symbol of trust, a tacit acknowledgement from 3M that their engineers are not just employees, but visionaries with the ability to dream up the next big thing. It's a testament to the belief that the best ideas often come from the freedom to think and create without boundaries. In a world where companies often struggle to balance creativity with productivity, 3M stands as a shining example. Their approach to innovation is not just about coming up with new ideas, but about creating an environment where these ideas can thrive. 3M proves that an innovative mindset can lead to groundbreaking inventions. So let's take a leaf out of their book and foster a culture where creativity is not just encouraged but celebrated. Because at the end of the day, innovation isn't just about the products we create, it's about the way we think. But how can you as a leader cultivate a culture of innovation? This question is at the heart of our discussion today. Leadership plays a pivotal role in fostering an environment where innovation thrives. Let's unpack this. To begin, it's crucial to encourage risk-taking. Innovation is often born out of daring ideas and bold ventures. As a leader, it's your job to create a safe space for these ideas to be aired and explored. Encourage your team to think outside the box, to take calculated risks, and to learn from failures. Remember, every great invention was once a risky idea. A second key element is promoting diversity of thought. An innovative culture thrives on a multitude of perspectives. It's about bringing together people with different backgrounds, experiences, and ideas. A diverse team not only fosters a wealth of ideas, but it also encourages critical thinking and problem solving. As a leader, your role is to value each voice in your team and ensure that everyone feels heard and respected. Rewarding creativity is another crucial aspect of leadership. Recognize and celebrate innovative ideas, no matter how small. This not only motivates individuals, but also creates a positive feedback loop that encourages more creative thinking. This could be as simple as an acknowledgement in a team meeting, or a special mention in a company-wide communication. Lastly, you can incorporate practical strategies to foster innovation. One such strategy could be regular brainstorming sessions. These provide a platform for ideas to flow freely and for creative solutions to emerge. Another could be implementing an open door policy, allowing for open communication and idea sharing across all levels of the organization. Innovation isn't just about great ideas, it's about creating an environment where those ideas can flourish. As a leader, you have the power to shape this environment, so encourage risk-taking, promote diversity of thought, reward creativity, and employ practical strategies to foster innovation. Remember, as a leader, you set the tone for innovation. So, are you ready to transform your organization with the power of innovation? We've journeyed together through the realms of creativity and innovation, glimpsing how giants like Google and 3M have harnessed these forces to catapult their success. It's now time for you to do the same. Embrace innovation, not as an abstract concept, but as a tangible strategy for your organization. Think of innovation as the key that unlocks a treasure trove of opportunities. A culture of creativity and innovation can make your organization more competitive in an ever-evolving marketplace. It can help you spot trends, seize opportunities, and adapt to changes with agility and resilience. But the benefits don't stop there. An innovative mindset can also bolster your problem-solving capabilities. It's like adding a powerful new tool to your toolbox, one that can help you tackle challenges from fresh angles, unearth novel solutions, and turn stumbling blocks into stepping stones. And then there's the potential for growth. Innovation is the wind that fills the sails of your business, propelling you towards uncharted territories of success. It can open up new revenue streams, create unique value propositions, and help you stand out from the crowd. It's the spark that can ignite a revolution, transforming not just your organization but the industry at large. So how do you foster a culture of innovation? Begin by encouraging diverse thoughts and perspectives. Create a safe space where ideas can be shared freely, where creativity is celebrated, and where mistakes are seen as learning opportunities. Remember, the most groundbreaking ideas often come from the most unexpected places. Then make innovation a part of your daily routine. Regular brainstorming sessions, open discussions, and collaborative problem-solving can keep the wheels of innovation turning. And finally, lead by example. Show your team that you value innovation, that you're willing to take risks, and that you're committed to turning visions into reality. Innovate today for a successful tomorrow, because the future belongs to those who dare to innovate.